Welcome back again to my channel. This is Ganabati, and before we proceed with this tutorial, I want you to hit the subscribe button, and then also don't forget to hit the bell button, at least to be the first person to get notification all the time whenever I upload new videos. Today I'm going to show you new way of browsing 500 megabyte daily free of charge on MTN Ghana. This is a free app that you can get from anywhere. I mean, on Play Store, from Google, anywhere. Anyway, the link to the app has been stated in the description, so just click and download. So you have to go to Play Store and download EC Tunnel VPN. Description has the link to download, so don't worry about that. So EC Tunnel VPN. So this is how the app looks like. EC Tunnel VPN. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, so what I'll first do is I'll switch from, I'm currently using Vodafone to browse. Okay, so let me switch from Vodafone. Okay, so select a SIM for data, MTN. Okay, all right, so this is what you will do. It's simple to use. So just open the EC Tunnel VPN, select a server, I mean any server of your choice. I am in Ghana, but then I'll have to select United States. Then I'll come here and tweak. You have a lot of free browsing for other countries. So when you scroll downwards, you see Ghana. We also have ours. So 50 megabytes per day, 50 megabytes per day too. Even though it's written as 50 megabytes, but it's 500 megabytes, and you can even browse beyond that. When you have midnight bundle, you can use as much as 1.5 to 2 gig per day. So if you really want to browse for long, subscribe to any midnight bundle of your choice. You can subscribe for midnight bundle as low as 1 Ghana cedis. You get 2.79 gigabytes, which can take you through the day. Okay, so I'm going to select 50 megabytes day 2. Then I'll just hit the middle here.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
It's going to connect.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
So now I can visit any website of my choice. Well, let me go to Facebook and browse. Maybe you might think I'm using free Facebook, but then it's not free Facebook. So let's check and see. Okay, you see, so my own profile has loaded. Anyway, thanks for watching. I believe I'm going to come up with another free browsing, absolutely free. I'm going to drop it very, very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.